Have you heard about the guy who lives underwater? It may seem like a tale of science fiction, but it's totally real. Meet Steve, the man who chose to make his home in the depths of the ocean. He has spent his entire life studying the underwater world and all its creatures. He is a marine biologist whose fascination with the ocean knows no bounds. One day, an idea struck him: if he wanted to understand the ocean better, he had to live among its inhabitants. So, he designed and built a home that would let him do just that. Steve's home isn't a typical house. It's made up of interconnected pods anchored to the seafloor. The pods are built from special materials that can withstand the pressure of the deep sea. They have everything he needs to survive in the water: food, water, air, and electricity. Living underwater isn't easy, but Steve has figured out ways to make it work. He spends most of his days exploring and researching the ocean floor. He's discovered new species of fish and plants and even befriended some of the sea creatures. Of course, living underwater comes with its challenges. The constant darkness can be disorientating, and the lack of fresh air takes some getting used to. However, for Steve, the rewards are more than worth it. He feels more connected to the ocean than ever before, and he's making discoveries that could change our understanding of the underwater world. Living underwater has also given Steve a different perspective on life. He's learned to appreciate the simple things, like the sound of waves or sunlight filtering through the water. He's also gained a deeper appreciation for the fragility of our planet and the importance of protecting it. In many ways, Steve's story reminds us that there are still mysteries to be explored and new frontiers to be conquered. His life is an inspiration to keep pushing boundaries. As I sit here writing this article, I can't help but feel envious of Steve and his underwater home. But, at the same time, I'm grateful for the work he's doing and the discoveries he's making. Thanks to people like Steve, we're learning more about our planet and its inhabitants. Who knows? Maybe one day, we'll all have the opportunity to live underwater. Until then, let's keep exploring and dreaming of what's possible.